What's up, YouTube? If you saw my short, I'm back as promised. I've got the Insta360 set up on the back of the car, the GoPro inside. We've got a mic set up on the back to capture the exhaust sound. This is the last day. The Magnaflow exhaust is going to be on my 540, my E34. We got an Eisenmann coming. I got some beauty shots of that. We're heading over to AutoCouture, but I figured on the way we should capture the sound. I want to do some brapping, some rev matching, and a highway pull or two. So stay tuned, enjoy the ride, and let's do this. All right, but we got to get lunch before we go driving. So I'm stopping at Goffle Grill in Hawthorne. If you've seen my other videos, Goffle Grill is sort of a competitor to Johnny and Angie's, another burger spot, dogs. There I am, parked outside. Always like to park where I can see the car from where I'm eating. So I got a cheeseburger with sauce, that's chili sauce, some classic french fries, and a soda. Very, very tradish at this spot. So that's my favorite since I was a kid, the cheeseburger with sauce. Taking a bite, big fan. Get some lunch in my stomach. Now let's go drive. We have stock catalytic converters. It's cut off right there. There's a Y pipe to a single. The resonator's deleted, and then we have a Magnaflow muffler in the back. It has the DTM tips currently. And I personally love the way it looks, but I've had it for a very long time. It is time to update and upgrade. We've got an Eisenmann race exhaust that AutoCouture is going to be installing. And let's do this. So the car's already warmed up, which is nice. I'm going to get on the highway right here, and we'll get our first little brap. It's kind of rush hour, it's 3:30. This is just the way the timing worked out for me. I always do this under the bridge. This car also has the DUD-MD engine tune, 315 limited slip diff, and a lightweight flywheel, so it scoots. It's awake, that's for sure. Just onto the highway. I'm not trying to be reckless here, but that's wide open throttle. I probably came close to the red line, but I didn't get there. That's sort of always the way I drive this car. Just in case my audio sounds bad. Hopefully that doesn't change too much. But now we're chilling in 5th gear, 2,500 RPMs. This is kind of a regular sound. As you can tell, I think you can tell, it's very livable. This is a sports car, not race car, I say. But the downshifts are great. This is 3,500 RPMs. You hear a little backfire there. Alright, I'm going to stop talking because I'm sure I'm ruining the audio. The timing. red light. That's good, I guess we get to hear it from start again. At this point of the video, I'll probably fast forward. Second gear. So good. Oh yeah, I love this car. I'm excited to hear what the new setup sounds like. Hopefully it's a little racier. The guys are gonna build the whole midsection, replace that Y pipe that's been in there for years. I do hope it still retains that crackle. That's the slightest decel crackle, and I just love it. I saw you seeing me, guy. All right, one more little mini pull, and then to ACM. No red lines there, more street speeds. Doing at 40, not crazy. AutoCouture. Probably lots of cool cars in this parking lot. All right, I hope that suffices. That was definitely a ton of fun for driving. I hope it looks cool on the internet. And I'll check back in after that Eisenmann race gets on this car. Next time on another episode of I Like to Eat Burgers and Drive My BMW. Oh, wait, got a little bonus content. Took the E34 to Cars and Coffee with my good friend Ryan on his R9T. Enjoy a couple of snippets from that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, YouTube.